Hey there. So, let's dive into the problem at hand. We have a closed question that is not related to programming or software development, and it's currently not accepting answers. Now, on to the solution. To tackle this issue, we start by creating a data frame DD with columns such as timestamp, RH, Fch4, distance ta, and Fch, with the strings as factors parameters set to true. Moving forward with the solution, we then proceed to impute missing values in the Fch4 column by using the na.roughfix function. After predicting the values for Fch4 based on a random forest model fit, we update the Fch4 column in the data frame DD with the predicted values rounded to 3 decimal places. Looking at the output, we can see the updated values in the DD data frame, showing the changes made to the Fch4 column due to the imputation process. To complete the solution, we further fill in the missing values in the ta and Fch columns by replacing them with the imputed values from the DD_imputed data frame. The final output then displays the fully updated DD data frame with all missing values filled in accordingly. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem by imputing missing values in the specified columns of the data frame using a random forest model and the na.roughfix function. So there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.